US Mobile offers both traditional SIM cards and eSIMs, which are embedded SIMs. An eSIM is a digital SIM card built into modern devices like iPhone 15 Plus or Android 13 Plus phones, allowing for instant online activation. By September 2025, US Mobile's online portal is optimized for instant eSIM provisioning, with QR code-based downloads that activate your plan in under 5 minutes. Traditional SIM cards are still available for older devices, but eSIMs are preferred for faster setup and eco-friendliness. An activated SIM or eSIM connects your device to US Mobile's network, which operates using major US carriers like Verizon and T-Mobile. First, purchase an eSIM-compatible plan via the US Mobile website or app. After payment, you'll receive a QR code, typically via email. On your phone, go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan. Select Scan QR code and position the QR code from the email within the frame. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm activation. Once activated, test the connection by making a call or using data. If you encounter any issues, reach out to US Mobile's support chat for assistance. Ensure your phone is unlocked and eSIM compatible before starting.